This is what we're gonna be making today. Kimchi fried rice. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Jimbo in the kitchen. Today we're gonna be making one of my favorite things to eat for breakfast, the kimchi fried rice. This isn't a traditional recipe. It's just a mix of things that I like to put in it and I enjoy eating, so that's why I make it. You can use any type of meat that you like, but today I'm gonna be using some pork. It's really fatty, there's more flavor, and honestly, it was a good deal, so that's why I bought it. But you can just use whatever you have in your pantry. You want Spam, bacon, you got some shrimp on there, you got some Vienna sausages, whatever, just use it. Besides the meat, I'm gonna put everything else that you guys need down in the description box down below. That's gonna be it for the intro. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's make some food, guys. Let's cook. This is the end product. I kind of wanted it to be like spread out. This is my first bite of it with the egg. I don't want to break the yolk first. Okay, I'm gonna break the yolk. I burnt myself a while ago. I'm not trying to do that again. What you gotta do is get your little spoon, right? A little bit of rice, a little bit of everything, a little bit of egg. And then you put this on top like this. And then you just there's still some egg in there. He's just hiding. Same thing as last time, green tea. Green tea iced tea, the Arizona kind. This is a lot of food. This thing is so good. I don't know what I like more though. Kimchi fried rice with spam, or this one, which is just like pork stew meat. I just found the cheapest cut. So any type of meat with some fried rice is fire. Or bacon, I like bacon too. All right, I got like 3 more bites here. I got this, bro. This thing's pretty spicy, but it's so good. This is it. Last one. All right, everybody. I think that's gonna be it today. I don't know why I'm doing this. I think that's gonna be it today. Thank you so much for coming here, for watching me make some food, for watching me eat. Maybe cooking with me, whichever it may be. I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoy your day. And peace out.